Hi, today we're painting some sunny crocus flowers in the snow. For my blue sky, I've added a tiny bit of Payne's grey to the top section of the blue, and then I'm slowly adding a little more white each time to make the sky lighter as it reaches the bottom of the canvas. Then with either a small or medium filbert brush, I'm painting in my white fluffy clouds. I've made a grey colour by using the blue and adding a little bit of Payne's grey to it, and I'm using this to add the shadowed area in the middle of the clouds. Next we can mark out where our snow and our grass is going to be. I'm using my filbert brush again and just dabbing it onto the canvas to create a little bit of a mottled effect. Next, I'm blocking out where my crocus flowers are going to be. Next, I'm coming in with a liner brush. We can add a few details, some shadows, some highlights to the crocus flowers, and also a few leaves. I've mixed my bluey grey colour again to add some shadows in the snow, and then I'm using white to add those lovely highlights in the sun. I hope you've enjoyed today's video, and here are some others that I think you might like to watch next. See you next time.